Hi there, everybody. This is Greg Peters, the Reluctant Networker. Just coming at you today to tell you a little bit about the NSA Michigan Speaker Masterclass Experience. We are bringing in 5 master level speakers. You're going to have Sean DeParon, Mimi Brown, Mary Jane Mapes, Joe Tabers, and yours truly. And we're going to be talking about, of course, our specific areas of expertise. But we're also going to be sharing with you about how we developed our programs and how we developed as a speaker. So hopefully, as you go through the day, you will be learning techniques to improve your business, but also techniques to improve your speaking. And let's face it, that's what we all want to do. Get better at business and get better at speaking. Lots of other things going on that day. They'll be taking headshots. There'll be some speed dating with industry experts. And of course, we're going to have some great food. So if you want to register, it's at nsamichigan.org. We are running a flash sale today and tomorrow. That's the 2nd and 3rd of April. Use the code APRILFLASH. That's APRILFLASH, all one word, in order to get the discount. But we really hope to see you out there. It's going to be Go Where Meetings Matter. We had that there last year, and it was just a fantastic experience. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.